In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Stripe. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring colleagues into your Stripe account with the right level of access, so you can collaborate safely and efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see your payments, balances, customers, and more. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account or workspace, especially if you manage multiple businesses or test environments. Next, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will open the settings area where you can configure everything related to your Stripe account, including billing, integrations, security, and team management. Inside the settings page, find and click on the section labeled Team and Security. This is where you manage who has access to the account and what they're allowed to do. It's a good idea to remember this area because it's also where you can update roles later or remove access if someone leaves your organization. Now that you're in the Team and Security section, look for a button or link that says Add Member. Click on Add Member to start the invitation process. This opens a simple form where you'll fill in the details for the new teammate you want to invite. In the email field, type the email address of the person you're inviting. Make sure this is an address they actively use, because Stripe will send their invitation and login instructions there. Double check the spelling. If the email is incorrect, they won't receive the invite. After entering the email, you'll need to choose a role for this new team member. Click on the role you'd like them to have. Each role comes with different permissions, so think about what this person actually needs to do. For example, someone handling support might need to view payments, but not change sensitive settings, while a finance lead might need access to payouts and reporting. Assigning the right role helps protect your account while still letting people do their jobs. Once you've selected the appropriate role and confirmed the email, you're ready to send the invitation. Click on Send Invite. Stripe will email your team member with a link to accept the invitation and set up their access. After they accept, you'll be able to see them listed in the Team and Security section, and you can adjust their role or remove them at any time from the same place.